Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity strategy with McAfee, full guide step by step clearly. To build a cybersecurity strategy with McAfee, begin by assessing your current security posture. Identify potential threats and vulnerabilities facing your organization. Gather relevant data about your existing security measures and policies. Engage stakeholders from various departments to get diverse insights. Next, define your organization's cybersecurity goals. Consider compliance requirements relevant to your industry. Establish a risk management framework to prioritize issues. Research McAfee's suite of cybersecurity products and solutions. Familiarize yourself with features like threat intelligence, endpoint protection, and data encryption. Determine which McAfee products align with your identified needs and goals. Create a budget outline based on the selected McAfee solutions. Develop an implementation plan that includes timelines and resource allocation. Train your IT team on the selected McAfee tools and best practices. Monitor and measure the effectiveness of the implemented solutions. Regularly review and update your strategy to adapt to evolving threats. Integrate incident response protocols into your cybersecurity strategy. Engage in continuous education for all employees to promote security awareness. Utilize McAfee's support and resources to address any challenges that arise. Document your entire strategy for future reference and audits. Finally, foster a culture of security within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.